Hi everyone, Raymond, the founder of Art Toys PH. Created this show entitled Portrait, wherein artists will paint their canvas and then attach another canvas above it. So here are the works.
Hi, my name is Owe Ramos and I'd like to welcome you all to Portrait on Portrait. And this is my work. So yung work ko nagre-revolve siya sa arcade machine and yung character ko na yung name niya is Tibok. So short story about the arcade. When I was 5 years old, nag-cut ako ng class. Tapos we walked, ako tsaka yung classmate ko, naglakad kami ng 5 kilometers para maglaro ng arcade. So when we came back to the school, panic na lahat, teachers, mga kaklase ko, yung I have a nanny that time. So nagpa-panic na sila. Tapos when we got home, hindi ako napagalitan kasi I was 5 eh. So yung mom ko was more like parang na-shock siya na at 5 nagawa ko yun. So I wasn't reprimanded at all. So feeling ko nag-iwan yun ng thought sa akin na I can be reckless, I can be adventurous, and I'm gonna get away with whatever I do. So, fast forward, now I'm 39 years old. 3 years ago, na-invite ako sa very first na major art show ko. And nag-try ako mag-recollect and dun niya ako binalik yung experience ko na yun when I was 5. So, sabi ko, kailangan kong mag-come up with an artwork or art style or subject matter na yun na yung magiging mga piyesa ko. So, yun, nabuo yung arcade machine and then yung character, si Tibok naman, kung makikita nyo, faceless siya, nakasuot siya ng hoodie na red, tapos anatomical heart yung hood. So, gusto ko lang mag-reflect dun sa character, yung pagiging generous ko na ever since I was a kid, talagang yun ay nakita sa akin. And kaya faceless, kaya siya empty, kasi I would always find myself in situations na pag nagbigay ako as in todo talaga, as in i-exhaust ko talaga yung sarili ko fully. So yun si Tibok, and makikita nyo si Tibok sa halos lahat ng mga artworks ko. Nag-take ako ng interior design, I never got to finish it, pero yun, as in yung pagiging artist talaga, kung nasa'yo, it's innate, di mo siya matatakasan, di mo siya mapipigilan. So it's been 3 years of being a full-time gallery artist, and I would say it's been so fulfilling. Ayan, please do follow me. Yung Instagram account ko is Owe Ramos for you to get to know more about my character, Tibok, and yung mga arcade pieces. Thank you.
Hi, so my name is Jeannie Arn Bagayana, by the artist name Gini Jeannie, and I am currently in Mandaluyong. I am a 23-year-old artist. Actually, I will be completing my bachelor's in fine arts as a major in painting this year. So this is my artwork entitled Lock Time Capsule. I recently came home from my provincial town in Paitay, Laguna. This is an inspiration from how my tiny little room in my childhood home looks. And literally talks about just the simple beauty of nostalgia when you were a child, and some little things that shows a little bit about my personality. It also tackles my spiritual growth that I now wear and I clothe with. And yeah, so that's the meaning behind the work. And you can also actually follow me on Instagram at Gini Jeannie.
My artist name is Lisa Chow. Currently at second year college po. And I'm studying art, yes. Inspiration ko po sa artwork, hindi lang po ito, in general artwork po, is under the genre of a something like medieval type of thing, and something like under the enchanted forest type of vibe. Pa-emphasize ko po yung paano hindi maging tao. Parang ganun po. Like, actually hindi po siya tao, isa po siyang part slime, part dragon, and actually part human na rin. Pero ayun, ano ko po ina-emphasize na every one of us is meron po sa atin na part na part of elf, part of orc, part of vampire, part of witch, wizard, something like that. So I don't consider everyone as human. My statement in my artworks. The socials po is in Instagram at _ Lisa Chow Chow.
Participating artist here in on portrait by Artois PH.
Nagkaroon ako ng enthusiasm sa summon magic. Si Cheshire Cat is parang mythological creature siya during medieval. So naging part din siya ng Alice in Wonderland, which is it's a cat elemental about cats. 60s, 70s na. Ang tingin talaga sa cats, sila, pest. So hindi sila talaga considered as pet. Based on my research, typical Filipino, sinasabi nila na ang cats, mabaho yung poops, nagiging cause ng hika. So for them, parang yung tingin sa kanila, parang just like pest, kundi mga parang monster. Kaya ako ginawang na ito yung parang greening, he's greening, so parang palabasin na yung symbolism na hindi talaga siya monster, so parang siya. It's a guardian, di ba kung saan, doon sa Alice in Wonderland, parang siya, parang spirit guide siya. Yun, mahilig kasi ako sa neon colors as may composition. My socials is Hil Bejarano on Instagram, and I also have Facebook. Also Hil, Heal Bejarano.
Ako si Natasha Juliano, 30 years old, artist, dito sa Metro Manila naka-base. Graduate ako sa UP Fine Arts sa Diliman. May day job din ako, tapos nagpipinta din, nag-music din on the side. So, masaya ang creative scene. So, yun yung ina-explore ko ngayon. More sa art, more sa music din. So, yung sa work ko, yung title niya, That Much Needed Meeting of the Selves. Gusto ko lang pag-usapan dito yung specific moments sa buhay natin na kung saan yung kailangan nating mag-sit down with ourselves and to talk with our different versions from yung sa mga naging kung sino tayo ngayon at yung mga taong wino-work on natin towards the future siguro din or wino-work on pa ngayon. Kasi nandun din ako, madami ako naging meeting with myself. So I guess andito ulit ako ngayon sa timeline na kung saan nakikipag-meet ulit ako sa sarili ko. Tapos yun, yung work na to actually, pag tinanggal mo yung sa taas niya, mag-reveal kasi siya ng parang necklace lang na nakaspell siya na everybody has friends in their head, at least 3. So, parang friendly na quote siguro to remind ourselves na parang it's okay to meet yung to sit down, yung pag-isipan mo yung sarili mo, yung mga nangyari, ganyan. Tapos, yung background nito ay mga iba't ibang parts ng chair. So, may leg, may seat, meron yung sandalan. And then, kaya ko na-retain yung specifically sa parts ng face na yung eyes and yung mouth. Kasi may nagsabi sa akin na ang portrait kasi consists of 2 things, which is yung eyes and yung mouth. So parang yung smiley, di ba? Mata tsaka bibig lang. Remove one or the other. Parang ang hirap i-determine na portrait siya. So in line with the theme na portrait on portrait, parang ni-reduce ko siya into those 2 major parts na eyes and mouth. Tapos, pinag-melt, mold, glitch, warp ko sila together. Kasi parang at the end of the day, kahit na magkakaibang version ng self mo, it's still yourself. So, yun yung work ko. So sa socials, you can follow me on Instagram at Tasing, TAS5ING. So, yun. Thank you very much.